found the first big nice target, massive fuse. Nice. Just found a small piece of bronze, so it's a good sign. We're getting there. Got a quite nice stable sound. Let's take it out. So yeah, I'm working now on the 5.1 version. So they change everything. It's like really stable and quiet, and they change on the pinpointing bit that I had an issue on the previous one. They changed it as well, so you see, straight on. Yeah, lump of lead. And I see, turn off pinpointer, and the coil is on straight. Beautiful. Happy with the 5.1. I've got another coinish sound. Hopefully it will be coin instead of piece of lead. But I'm happy from anything today. Goosh. Oh, Jesus. Oh yes, we got a first coin. I don't know what is it, but it looks nice. What do you reckon? There's Britannia, and there's the date. What do you think? It's 1861. So it's young Victoria. Nice. Happy with that. I'm happy with the 5.1 update. Didn't record this one, but it's quite deep. It's rocky field, but I found a piece of old buckle. Nice. Can you see it? What's that? It looks like a coin. Yes, it is. One coin. Nice. Probably Georgian, but still, a coin is a coin. We are happy with that. A coin. What's up, Viking lovers? Oh, look what I just found. A thimble. Nice one. Bit squashed, but it is a thimble. It's not silver as well, but we're happy with this one. Nice, bruv. Not as deep, but Be happy with that. Oh yeah, boy, we've got another one. Yeah, it's the Dorset Regiment. I think they call like that badge. Nice. Yeah, it's my second one I found. I think this year one already. Sweet. I'm just finding pieces of lead like that. I don't know. Do you think so? There's quite a lot of them. Quite a lot of them on this field. Who knows? I just found a crossbow. Beautiful. Boom, and we've got a silver. Yeah. Yeah, hey baby. Nice find. I don't know what is it. Can you see it? It's right over there. Let's pick it up and see what is it. I think it's a coin. I think it's a coin. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I just scratched it. Young Victoria. Nice. You see the date? No, I don't know. It's a coin. I think we've got another coin. It's over there. No, it's a button. No, it's a coin. Yeah, it is a coin. It is a coin. No, it's a button. Damn you, button. It's still something. Button. Quite nice design on it. Yay. Up to the next one. Good morning and welcome to the island of Viking Mans. This is Mr. Viking. It's Saturday metal detecting. I didn't record the morning chit chat because I was late on the dig. Sort of because we're on the private property. I cannot tell you the location because it's private. But we're quite nice area. There's a couple of Roman roads, if you know what I mean. Iron Age burial just on one side. We had a quite small field, so but it was, you know, it was fun. It was fun. I've got a couple of bits and bobs, Crottlebell, a couple of Victorias, George, buckles, and silver young Victoria. So I'm quite happy with the day. So I'm finishing with the silver, and I'm going quite early because maybe not early, but you can always stay longer because I'm going tomorrow to the 12th century church, so I have to get ready. So what's going on? On the last video I told you that I did upgrade to 5.0 upgrade, and I was like upgrading every minute, you know, that I did it. So I was planning to change on the 4.1 again, but when I was like, you know, turn on everything, turn on the program to downgrade, it was like, oh, there's 5.1. So what I did, I just changed to 5.1. So I did test on the last weekend, and I was testing today again, and I'm really happy. I don't know, like, you know, if there's anything like, you know, changes in the depth, but there's 100% changes in the stability of the machine, so it's way quieter now, and there's no problems with MI6 connection. So I think you can now go for the 5.1. But if if it didn't work on your machines, it wasn't me. But on mine it's working, so happy days. I'm going home, getting ready for tomorrow, and tomorrow will be another episode of Viking. See you in the next one. Bye bye everybody.